Curious about the new i900? Let's unbox it together. Everything is inside this one package. Shall we open the box? First, there's the user guide. Underneath, we can find the scanner and its accessories. Let's take a look at the scanner that's got you curious. It's very small and light, so it has a stable grip. The i900 doesn't have a button. Its various touch interfaces help make scanning smart and convenient. From a touchpad with 360-degree usability and a touchpad for controlling scan data to the menu button. During treatment, you can control everything with just the scanner without having to reach for a mouse. Next, we have the power delivery cable. Then, the scanner tips. There are 4 scanner tips of different sizes. The large tip shows tremendous scanning performance with its wide scan area of 18 by 15 millimeters, which can acquire more data in a single swipe. You can also find the cradle, wall mount holder, and calibration tool. A premium scanner equipped with a new optical engine for a more accurate and deeper definition. I'm gonna have to use it now. This has been an introduction to all the components of the i900.